Hey guys, so I've been getting a lot of requests for AMC. If you guys have been following this series, you guys know that I trained the ChatGPT 4 model to essentially give me stock market predictions. Over the course of the last couple of days, I've actually been training ChatGPT 4.0, which is the new Omni model that just came out last week. It's giving me pretty similar results. I've gone back and forth back testing the ChatGPT 4 model versus the Omni model. For the most part, they're pretty similar. The ChatGPT 4 model was outputting in directly through Python code, right? Which is the code that I was funneling to it and how to make these predictions, as well as running image recognition on the screenshot itself, and a lot of other things, right? So if you guys have been following the series, you guys know that it's already been right about GameStop. I ran this against the ChatGPT 4 model at 17 bucks, and it was predicting a $55 target. It went up all the way up to I think like 80 bucks, but we ran GME against this at $17, which is pretty nuts, right? And I want to do a short time frame here on AMC, which is a 24-hour, because you just had that drop from, I think it was like a high of I think $9 or something, all the way down to $4.32 where it is now. So it is predicting a forecast or a price level of $5 for the AMC chart, right? And again, this is where the image recognition Python script that I gave it comes into play, right? It is determining that the chart price range is from $2 to $8, right? So it does understand that from the model that I feed it, or from the program that I feed it, the image recognition it does understand that it is a price between like $2 and $8, which you guys can see on the screen here, right? But not only do I actually use this as a bias, oh wait, that's just, never mind. That's also my indicators, quick, what is it called? Quick plug. My indicators would have made you, 368 entry on SPY and like 423 entry on SPY, right? This on the weekly chart. But again, quick plug on my indicators. My book just got released, so again, I'll probably add that in here somewhere. All right, so for specifically AMC, I do like to run this. I don't want to say on just like hopes and dreams, right? But I do like running this on a bias, right? So as of right now, AMC does look like it's pushing. It might go back to the upside, right? But I'm waiting for a Heikin Nishi candle to actually push this back up. It is looking for $5, right? As far as where it wants to go. And again, you guys know that I like using my indicators as like a confirmation, right? For where I think AMC is going, right? So it is looking at $5. Not a huge push, right? So ChatGPT doesn't think it's going to go back up by a lot. I can probably see maybe $8 again, and at most $12 again, unless you have some crazy run up, right? Or some crazy news. But yeah, ChatGPT thinks it's going to $5. Another $70 or 70 cents from now, which is maybe, I think that's roughly what, a little bit more than like 10%, so 10-20% run up from here. I don't know, we'll see. I definitely think it can go back up. I think $5 is a very high possibility, if not maybe like closer to, what did I say? Yeah, maybe closer to like a $8 target here, because it did run up all the way to 13 bucks, right? So we'll see. The easiest way for you guys to do this is go to chart type, Heikin Nishi, wait for that trend, wait for that 4-hour trend to actually break the downtrend, and then you can scale it up, right? And then you can actually run this to the upside. So yeah, AMC, ChatGPT thinks it's going to $5. Hasn't been wrong yet, right? It's been pretty accurate so far, so we'll see what happens. Bye.